from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Number of school renovation and expansion projects are underway. We've got details in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, August 5th, 2024, and it's brought to you today by Pain-Free RVA.
And now for the news.
Henrico Schools officials have a number of capital projects underway, including several school rebuilds, expansions to 2 advanced career education centers, and 3 new middle school auditorium projects. Nearly 3/4 of the school system's buildings are more than 30 years old, and 60% are more than 50 years old. County voters 2 years ago approved $340 million in bond referendum money to help fund a number of these projects. Among them, a rebuild of Quioccasin Middle School, which is slated to begin during the coming school year and finish during the 2026-27 school year. The rebuild of the Academy at Virginia Randolph, which is set to finish later this year. Construction of the new Environmental Education Living Building at Wilton in Varina, which is set to finish by the fall of 2026. The rebuild of Longan Elementary School, the new building set to open in January of 2026, and the rebuild of Jackson Davis Elementary School, which should be completed during the same month. Renovations to Adams Elementary School, funded by the 2016 bond referendum, are set to be finished later this year. Now, you can read much more about all the projects currently underway and being planned by the school system from our education reporter, Leanna Hardy. Find that article right now at henricocitizen.com. Police are asking for the public's help to find 2 teenagers who have been missing for more than 2 weeks in the Short Pump area. 17-year-old Haley Yost and 15-year-old Elena Hendricks, both of Goochland, were last seen Thursday, July 18th in the afternoon in the 11,300 block of West Broad Street. They were running toward a store in the Short Pump Station shopping center. Officials said the businesses in the area where the teens were seen were thoroughly searched by police, but there were no signs of the girls. If you know anything, call Metro Richmond Crime Stoppers at 804-780-1000 or Henrico Police at 804-501-5000. Henrico's Division of Fire promoted 29 members during a ceremony at Tucker High School August 1st. Mike Crawford and Scott Sutton were promoted to Assistant Chief. Catherine Latimer was promoted to Chief of Staff, and Dan Kramer and Scott Kincaid promoted to Battalion Chief. 11 other members were promoted to the rank of Captain, while 13 were promoted to the rank of Lieutenant. Henrico County Public Schools officials are still hiring for a number of positions. A few weeks before the start of the school year, the division will hold a job fair this Thursday from 1 to 5 p.m. at its Parham Road offices at 1910 East Parham Road. Applications are being accepted for instructional assistants, as well as substitute teachers, custodial and maintenance staff, bus drivers, school nutrition staff members, school nurses, and school security officers. If you can't make it to the job fair or you have questions, you can call the Human Resources Department at 804-652-3664. Henrico-based Tech for Troops has received a $45,000 grant from the CompTIA community. It was part of $150,000 distributed by that organization to 12 charities across 8 different countries. Tech for Troops will use the donation to expand its programs and reach more veterans in need, providing them with the technology and training necessary to help them build better futures, according to the organization. Is pain and uninvited house guests disrupting your life? It's time to call Pain-Free RVA and Dr. Joseph Capri. Dr. Capri offers the best blend of chiropractic, massage, and physical therapy focused on each patient's specific needs to help provide long-lasting relief. In fact, he boasts an 88% success rate in getting patients out of pain and back to their lives in just 3 visits. Text Dr. Capri at 804-596-5232 or visit painfreerva.com. If you're in pain, get it to go away at Pain-Free RVA.